Alright, hello guys. Back again with another comparison. This time, the cheapos. But the one on the left is a fan that everyone has and doesn't realize how cheap they are. The Holmes HABF-20. I believe the 2021 version. And we have the last style of the Lakewood box fan ever made. The 2007 Lakewood 101. So let's get right into it. As you can see, they technically share the same blade style. Same blade, honestly, but this has the Holmes badge in the front. It just has a dot in the middle with the Lakewood emblem up in front. As you can see, has the sad gray color, bland gray color, and this one has a gray mixed with a tan inside of it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little tan. And this has the handle on top. Unfortunately, not the knob. This fan is so flimsy. It's not even funny. Like, no grill should ever do this. Ever. With this one, it's made a little sturdier. Unfortunately, the grill is hitting the hub. Now, this one's all the way back, it's like an inch away. But that's still not an excuse. But if you turn to the side, oh yeah. Obviously, the Lakewood is taller. A little taller than the Holmes. The Holmes is very rounded. I should have just kept the square style instead of trying to become a last coat knockoff. But there's the sides. Let me do the same thing I did with the rain guards. Just the cords are in the way. As you can see. Here's the back to both of these. Don't mind the cords. They're had this one in the box, but I can't even get that unbent, unfortunately. But as you can see, technically, this grill, if today, like if they were to make this grill today, Lakewood, it would be like this grill. So, but as you can see, different motor. So this one has the Lakewood motor, and this motor is unknown. I believe it's made by Camera. I'm not sure, but knobs on the back, 3, 2, 1. And this one as well. This one has off, high, medium, and low. Obviously, this grill design, it looks better because it has a little ring around the hub and the hub, not the ring around the hub, the ring around the grill, and the grill pops out. This one is just bland. Like, it just doesn't have any design to it. But handle on the back, handle up front. And this one has the quote-unquote integrated cord storage, which is, this is so useless. It's not even funny. This one doesn't have one now. Because obviously, with this thin cabinet of a fan, where would you put a grill up? Where would you put your cord storage in? So without further ado, I'm going to start the Holmes on the left right here. Here is high. And the grill is shaking. Well, just the fan shaking itself. It's so bad. See, look at the grill. This fan should not be shaking this bad. But it's what you get with 2021 China-made fans. Can't expect nothing else. I'll be honest, I've only used this fan for at least almost 6 days. I don't think a week. I'm not even sure why. I'm not really sure why I brought this, to be honest. But it's here, but it may go soon. Don't know where though. But here is medium. Here is high. And the rotor is scraping on something. I'm not sure what it is. But it does have a scraping sound, so I'm not complaining. It's a cheapo. But this one is obviously a little better, but has a distinctive sound to it, like an airplane taking off, and that's what I like about this fan. As you can see, I have used it a little bit, so I'm not sure if you can see because it's blurry. There we go. Yeah, whatever. But here's high. This fan's not as shaky as this one right here, but obviously it's faster. So here's medium. That was far quieter on here on this fan than this one. This is back when fans that were on low were considered on low. Nowadays you have these new fans, new box fans with low sounding like they're on medium, damn near on high. They don't make fans, you know. Even though they stopped making fans like they used to, they stopped making fan speeds like they used to. And this is the perfect white noise for anyone that's, you know, I want a gentle white noise. Medium again. Here's high. High is what I would usually high is what I would usually use on this fan. But there it is. Now I'm going to start these up on high again. I don't know if you can see, but the Lakewood is going back a little. But I said that fan wasn't made great either. It's a cheap fan from over 10 years ago. Medium. That's what I said. The Holmes is too fast. It's like it's still on high. And it's louder. Here as well. As I said, Holmes is way faster. And don't get me wrong, I kind of like this kind of medium, but not on low. This is my opinion. So I'll turn these off now. It's funny because I've stopped because the Lakewood was last to go. I believe that stopped first. But anyway, in conclusion, I mean, there's still plenty of those Lakewood 101s out there, but there's too many of the Holmes out there, and I've seen so many of them being trashed and destroyed, and honestly, I don't blame you. I don't blame anyone for throwing them out or mistreating them because, you know, it's sad how from 25 years ago, we've gone from having like Lascos that have like great velocity. Like, for example, all the early 2000s Lasco box fans, and including the 90s ones. Obviously some weren't made all that great, but the air velocity was just phenomenal. But now we get to 2021, and then this is what we have to deal with. And in 2007, not sure if many of you guys have been around, but this fan was like the meme fan of the late 2000s. Like everyone had one. Some were getting destroyed, some were getting lit by fireworks, and this was the meme fan of the late 2000s, despite its cheapness and low grade quality from a while from like the 90s fans, like the 90s Lakewoods. And it's funny too because this fan was made around the time the P25 was made. And unfortunately, that fan is the P25 is just it's not well known. It's not well talked about. So, but I'm going off topic. In conclusion, I would say just focus on getting the Lakewood because obviously they're both cheapo fans, but Lakewood's not in business anymore, and Lakewood is and the quote unquote new Lakewood is the Holmes, and the Holmes is just made far worse, as I described with the grill. This grill should not be this flimsy. Shouldn't be. It's shaky, and it has some parts to it like Glasgow. That's like this part, the frame shaped like Glasgow has almost the same brace brackets as Lasco. It's just like now everyone, like these fan companies are just trying to copy Lasco, but it's crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and I'll have another comparison real soon. Thank you.